This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the audio and rights. Pick a track that matches your video's mood and confirm commercial use. Once chosen, download the highest quality file you can get and save a backup. Make sure metadata and license text are saved with the file because you'll need attribution details and terms when you upload. Now open your editing project and import both your video and the music so you can begin matching pace and tone immediately. Now you edit and mix. Lay the music on its own track and align key moments to scene changes so the emotion supports your visuals. Once done, automate level changes or use sidechain/ducking so dialogue remains clear. Typically reduce music by 3 to 6 decibels during speech. Make creative edits like loops or short stingers and add short fades of half a second to 2 seconds to avoid clicks. Finally, normalize to a safe peak level before export. When you export, use YouTube-friendly settings and aim for a consistent loudness around -14 LUFS so viewers don't need to adjust volume between videos. Next, paste the license text and attribution into your video description and list exact timestamps if you used multiple tracks. If YouTube flags the audio via Content ID, don't panic. Pull your license file and dispute with evidence or swap out the track and reupload. One troubleshooting tip: always keep original license receipts accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.